Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be seeing how to clean these bad boys right here. These are like super dirty makeup brushes and even super dirty beauty blender. So for that I am gonna be using this Herbal Essences Bio Renew clean white strawberry and sweet mint shampoo. It is gluten free and silicone free. Now you're gonna be using something which is very gentle for your makeup brushes, and I use this shampoo for my hair and makeup brushes as well because my baby shampoo was over, and this is like super gentle. Now I'm just wetting my tools and just gonna water and just squeeze out the excess of water from the brushes. And now you're gonna be needing a fresh clean cloth, and now I am using this a shampoo on my palms. You can use cleaning pad, which comes in which like you're gonna swirl the brushes and clean it. But to be honest, ain't nobody got time for that and I am super lazy. I can't do it. I don't have it and I can't do it. So I'm just gonna clean the beauty blender like this. And can you see how much gunk is coming out of the beauty blender? You just need to be very gentle with it and just squeeze out the gunk like this. And I'm gonna swirling the brushes on my palms and just taking out the gunk like this. And I don't do it like one by one, again super lazy for that. But I like to use like 2-3 brushes together and taking the gunk out of them. And now I am just fast forwarding the steps because सबके लिए सेम ही स्टेप्स हैं. So all the choices you made, did you make them again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? And now can you see how clean my beauty blender looks? And I'm just taking like clean water and squeezing it out for the last time. And now to soak my brushes, I'm just gonna take clean cloth and just taking out the excess water, doing the same for my brushes. And now you need 2 hair bands or 2 rubber bands, and you're gonna be tying the face brushes and your eye brushes separately like this, and similarly like this. And for the last step, you need to hang your brushes like this in your washroom. And do remember to put your brushes like in downwards motion because the dampness can harm the brushes. And that is it for this video, guys. I will see you guys next time. Bye.